everyone, thanks so much for stopping back to check out my channel. Today I'll be looking at the first of two FabFitFun mystery bundles that I purchased from the website. I was curious about these, I thought they sounded like fun. I'm always up for a mystery, so let's check them out and see what we have inside. Now they are all marked with a number. I've seen them show the number on other videos as well, so we'll take a look at that. I'm not sure what the significance is, but we'll go with the flow. And the first item out of the mystery bag is the Gabba Goods Aqua Acoustic Speaker that normally retails for around $29.99. I don't know if I'll use that in the shower, but I can always definitely use the speaker. We also have Skin-esque Brightening Masks. It's a 3-step process. And I looked on the internet and those look to go around $23.99. Next we had a Ish nail polish. I looked those up and they look around $10 a piece. And that's just resale. I'm not sure what the original retail price is, but I couldn't locate it, so we'll check it out. I'm always into nail stuff, so we shall see. And the last thing here is just a tube of Campo oil. It's the Immune Blend. They sell it at places like J. Crew, and that size tends to go for around $45. So it looks like we definitely got our money's worth. I don't know if all of this is stuff that I will actually use, but I'll go through it and take a look. And if there's anything that won't be for me, I will go ahead and put it up on my eBay page and see if anybody's interested. Other than that, I could also put it in my gifting box. I keep a tote in my closet full of stuff that I give for gifts, because I know that just because something's not for me doesn't mean that someone else won't really enjoy it. Sometimes I take them to church too to use for raffle gifts as well. Well, I hope you enjoyed looking at my mystery box today. It was full of goodies, and that oil does smell really nice, so I think I will keep that in my purse. It never hurts to have an immune booster around, especially these days. So there's box number 1. I hope you enjoyed watching it. I'll be back with box number 2 after a while as soon as I get that opened, and I want to research the products a little. Right now, FabFitFun also does have the summer box going, and they have some mystery boxes there as well, so I may have to get another one. We'll see. I will link my FabFitFun page below, and other than that, I hope you have a great night, and we'll see you next time.